Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the computer class. Today we are starting the first step to the internet. So, what is a internet? Internet is a network refers to a group of computers connected together. And the word internet stands for interconnected network. It is a huge network of computers around the world. There are billion of computers in this network and many people can access at the same time. Okay, it is connected with telephone wires or other means. uh, Now the internet, it is a storehouse of information. It is also called the cyberspace. History of internet. 1969, the Department of Defense, that means that army of United States of America, set up a network called ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, and it started with one computer in California and three in Utah. California and Utah are the two names of two places, and it was started like that one computer in California and the three is in Utah, and the aim was to share information or research and development in the field of science and technology. Later, the Department of Defense allowed universities to join the network for sharing resources. Then after that, the Department of Defense allowed many universities, and this way gradually it grew bigger, and now it is in everyone's hand. Now it is in everyone's hand. Uses of internet: we can use internet to get the current information from all the fields like business, sports, finance, everything. We can send messages, we can send emails to any part of the world within a few seconds. We can chat or with friends, families, relatives, those who are living outside the country or far away from the same town. We can talk with them. We can see them also nowadays by video calling. We can buy things on the internet and it will be delivered in our home. We no need to go to the shop. Okay. Next is advantages. Advantages of internet is we can get any information of any topic. We can send messages, emails through within a few seconds. Email is the electronic message. Email is the full form of electronic message. Okay, sent through the internet from one computer to another. We can send text, we can send picture, and we can send sound also. We can chat with family and friends. We can buy things. We can transfer money from one bank to another. We can pay bills, book movie tickets, many things we can do. It is a great source of entertainment. We can watch movies, listen to the music, play games through internet. And disadvantages means people's are there are harmful programs called viruses. It can damage our computer. If any way it will come in our computer, it will damage it. Okay, we can get a lot of unwanted emails, that is spam or junk mails, that is not necessary, and that will hang our phones. Wrong uses of internet, because many people are using it in a wrong way. While searching for the making use of information from the internet, we can get wrong informations also, so we have to check it from any book. Next, we can some people tend to spend many hours on the internet, because students, especially the children are sitting uh, in front of the mobile or laptop or computer, and they are not studying. They are just looking the games. They are seeing the watching the cartoons and all these things, and this way they are wasting their time. Okay, next is, so these are the advantages. And another advantage, their eye problem. Too much of looking after the net and looking at the screen, they can get the eye problem. Another thing is there, when they are watching all the things, when the students are getting all the answers, they are not thinking. So you have to think the answers by yourself. They are not reading, they are just getting the answers and they are writing. Okay. World Wide Web, www, the full form of www is World Wide Web. See the box, the World Wide Web was developed in 1989 by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Okay. So the World Wide Web, also known as the web, is a system that is interlinked. It is interlinked pages that contain a variety of information that can be accessed via the internet by people all over the world. It forms only one part of the internet. Okay. Next is web browser. What is web browser? So web browser is a program. It is used to locate and display web pages. It helps the users to interact with text, images, videos, all these things. Okay. So web pages are Google, Chrome. So this is a question that name the web browsers. So you have to write like this, that Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, these are the web browsers. Okay. If it will be not in your phone, then in your phone or laptop or computer, then you will not get the informations. So to use the internet, you have to install this web browser. Okay. Next is coming the individual pages. There will be individual pages. For science, if you want to search something, there will be one page. If you want to search another things, another page will come. Okay. So this way, individual pages are collectively form the World Wide Web, are known as web pages. These pages contain text, graphics, audio, video, links and other pages. And there is the link connecting one page to another is called a hyperlink. So when one page is connected to another, that is called the hyperlink. Okay. When the mouse pointer is moved over a hyperlinked image or text, the pointer changes to a hand symbol. So when the pointer changes to a hand symbol, when the mouse pointer is moved over the hyperlinked image or text, the pointer changes to a hand symbol. Okay. Next, how the hyperlinks help. Hyperlinks allow you to move to other web pages that with related information. So it will hyperlinks will allow us to move to another web page that is linked to the previous one. Okay. Website. Website. A website is a collection of one or more related web pages. So when we are opening a website, we are opening a related web pages. Many web pages will come over there and they will linked together through a system of hyperlink, and they will be linked, that is hyperlink. Through the hyperlink, they will be interconnected. Our website is a small to a magazine. It is a similar like a magazine, and moving from one website to another is called the net surfing. When we are moving from one website to another, that is called net surfing. A web address. What is a web address? A web address is the address or location of a website on the internet. All web addresses start with one of these http:/. So these things will be, you have to read. Okay. If we will give that in a question, that give the web addresses. So you have to write these three: http:// https:// and www. One thing, notice that everything over here is written in small letter and there is no space between them. If you will give any space, it will be wrong. If you will write in capital letter, that will also be in wrong. So this thing you have to keep in mind. If I am giving this in your question paper, you have to write this one in proper way without giving any space and without writing anything in capital letter. And the full stop and all the things will be in proper way. You should type the web address of the website correctly, i.e. leaving no space in between the words and letters. Okay. So if you want to visit, type the address. You have to type this one. You have to type these things, http dot whatever it is written over here, and then you have to give enter. Okay. Next we are coming to the home page. Home page is the opening page or the main page of a website. A home page typically contains introductory information about the website that has been accessed along with the links to the further details of the service or information. So home page is the opening page. Whenever you will open, there a picture or some writing will come, that is called home page, along with links to the further details of the services or information the website provides. It will provide the information or services. The home page of the website can be changed or updated only by the owner of the website. So who will be the owner of the website? Only he or she can change it, otherwise no one can change. For example, if you visit website http://pbkids.organization, its home page will appear as shown. So this home page will come. See in the book, okay, 4.4 figure. So this will come. So up to here, read the chapter thoroughly. Read it very nicely because many small questions will come. Inner questions will come. So we will start next day, page number 50 and 51, 52. So till the next class, read the chapters very nicely. Okay. Goodbye. Have a nice time.